glorious mystery. Jesus Christ is resurrected from the dead. He conquered not only death, but Satan, sin, and the world, and gives new life to mankind. The joy of the risen Christ is greater than this life's pain. Hope that comes from his resurrection is the victory over our own fear of dying. Mary, help us to follow Jesus, his steps through this world and into the next, and to keep our hope in him.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us, and lead